How to fix your iMessage not sending message problem. First, I will suggest you to check your internet. Sometimes unstable or slow internet causes the issue, and if internet is not the problem, then switch off your phone and turn it on again. Sometimes simply doing that resets your phone and it should fix it. If it's still not fixed, open up your settings and scroll down until you see the option called messages. So for that, click on apps, and over here try to find messages and click on messages. And over here, the iMessage, make sure to turn it off and turn it on again and click on turn on iMessage. By doing that, basically your iMessage will be resetted and you should be able to contact others after like 5 to 10 minutes. Give it 5 to 10 minutes because it takes that much time to activate. The other thing is click on settings, click on where it says general, scroll all the way down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset at the bottom of your screen. Click on where it says reset network settings. Enter the password of your phone and your network settings will be resetted and your iMessage will also be resetted and the problem should be fixed. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.